Hi guys, I am Arpita and welcome back to my channel. The 2018 is over and this desk calendar might not be of any use, but I am going to use it to make a motivational calendar for the whole year. You just need some colored papers and some decorative items, that's it. Now first of all, measure the length and breadth of the calendar and cut the colored papers of the same size. After cutting it, just place it on the paper and with a pencil, make a mark where the spiral will come so that it can be turned easily. After making the mark, just cut that small portion of the paper and just stick the papers on the calendar. Now this is how it is going to look after cutting and sticking those colored papers. Now I am going to use this yellow colored circle to first write on this, and then I'm going to stick on this background. So wake up with determination and go to bed with satisfaction. Now I have only stuck it in the middle, I have put glue only in the middle so that I can make rays of these strips. This was little tiring because there were so many rays to stick here, and while doing this I realized that first I should have stuck these strips on the back side of the yellow circle and then stuck it on the paper, so you don't do the same mistake. First stick these rays on the paper and then you can stick it on the calendar. It was tiring, but voila, I'm done. Now for this one, I cut orange colored papers in the shape of the leaves and just stuck it on the sides of it, because I'm directly going to write on the paper because it's light colored obviously. But first make a line with a ruler, and then after writing and drawing, just rub the pencil mark from the paper. Stop wishing, start doing. You can make different shapes, and this is how it will look after writing and sticking. Now it's time to decorate it. These are some sticker pearls which I got from the stationery shop. It is easily available in any stationery shop. This is how it looks. Now for this I am just sticking artificial stars. These were again stickers. You can decorate it as you wish, whatever you want to put on it. Now this is the whole calendar. So on the cover page I have put some big and small pearls, some stars, glitter tape and artificial roses, and just cut strips of different colored papers and just stick on the paper and trust the magic of new beginnings. Now the first one, you have already seen me making this. I also added some orange color to give it a look of a flame. These are again the sticker pearls. You've already seen me making this. This one you saw me putting the orange leaves, and I just cut yellow colored strips and put over the orange leaves. Then just cut the yellow colored bits and stick it all over the page, and you can see how just a simple thing can make something so beautiful. This is very simple. Again, just a paper cut into a leaf shape, and then again glitter tape and yellow colored small leaves and stick onto it. Now a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new, so try new things. These are the artificial sticker stars and the red glitter tape again. This is very simple. This is be all about making this day better than yesterday. Now this is a thread which was made of paper. It was available on the stationery shop, so I just bought it and stick it here. These are again the pearls, and I put some sparkle on it. Now everything you have ever wanted is on the other side of fear. This is a cloud shape. Yeah, that's obviously visible. I put some again those decorative stickers on it, and I cut paper in the shape of a drop. I put a pearl on it and also put some sparkle on the drops to give it a look of rain. Now half of the year is over. Now this is July and life begins at the end of the comfort zone. Again I just put the glue in the middle to give it a raised look. These are again other colored papers cut into shape of the flowers, and then I stick here. This is again glitter tape. This is simple rectangle with curved corners. This is the same sun I made you've seen me before. And first I put the rays and then I put it here. It is the same way I made that sun. These are some clouds and grass. What you have to do is just take the paper and start cutting it in the shape of the grass. And I put some colored papers and pearls on it to give it a look of small flowers. And that's it. Being kind never goes out of style. So be kind every time. And in the shape of a tree, I've just put red and yellow small circles to give it a look of fruits. That is it. You are a diamond and nothing can break you. Always remember that quote for yourself. This is very simple decoration again. Now don't stop until you're proud. I just put glitter tape and pearls on it. This is so simple that anybody could do it. That is why I did not make the whole video of sticking it. Now stop wishing and start doing for yourself. That this is all. I stuck everything what I was left with, and that is over. So make your own motivational calendar for the whole year. And I hope you like my video. Give it a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.